Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to show you something that I finally got from one of my favorite YouTubers, Carolina's Crafts. Let me see real quick if I can. Here is her Etsy store, and then she does have a YouTube channel as well. Okay, just want to show you who that's from. So last year she sold a bunch of these. She had them, she listed them, and I never could get one, and I wanted one desperately. So she listed some this month, or was it July maybe? I don't know. Anyway, I finally got one. So I made a Valentine version because I never could get her Christmas version, so I made my own. This is a die from Scrap Diva Designs, and Carolina does have a tutorial on how to make this. But anyway, look at this. She even corrugated, she made the roof. She put it through one of those, I can't remember what you call it. It makes it corrugated, basically. Anyway, she let's go through it. So look how cute. She's got her little bow. I hope I'm not too close. Yeah, I think I'm good. But that die set actually comes with all the window, the bakery, the door, everything, all the pieces. Anyway, let's go through it real quick, and it comes with all of the these pieces too. You can't even talk. She included a gingerbread cookie recipe, her recipe, and look how cute her little dangle is. It even has a candy cane and a little like Christmas ball on it. How cute is that? And then here, I know that this is a Scrap Diva Designs die, and look what she did. She actually mounted it on acetate. This is something you can do for your little journals, and journals would be, something like this type of Christmas journal would be a great craft fair item. I mean, obviously Carolina sells them in her Etsy shop, and she sells out of these every year, and I know why, because they're just so gorgeous. And then I love the paper choices she used. And look at that. It has a little pocket. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love deer. Love them. Look at that. I'm making a list. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? I love that deer tag. Just the little details. And look at this paper. She even has it where the bird is at the top. How cute is that? And double-sided paper. I just love the paper choices. Look at that. This is she makes these. She has a tutorial on that. But anyway, she did a fold out on this. She could do some journaling there. And so then that clips there. And then she did do a little die cut ephemera. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so grateful that I was able to get one of these. Oh my goodness, look at this. So, how did she? Oh, she did this on that acetate as well. Oh, it's an envelope. Okay, that is smart. So she probably made, I know she made this on her envelope punch board, and so then she put, look, a little Christmas tag. How cute is that? Like a gingerbread Christmas tag. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest. And then here's another one of those fold out pages that she did it on craft cardstock. And then her little tool paper clips. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. I love this paper. And then here's a side pocket on this one with tags, all kinds of tags and cut aparts, and then her little tulle ribbon paper clip, and then she has that clipped on the side. Ooh, look at this Christmas tree paper. How pretty is that with all that gold embossing? Oh my goodness. And then this is another fold out page with a reindeer. Look at him, reindeer paper clip. Oh my goodness. And then that's it. Oh, okay. I wanted to show you this because isn't that precious? That would be a precious thing to sell at a craft fair. But that's not what I wanted. Oh, I wanted this for me. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. All right, so we don't have, this is just an idea, guys. Shaped, me, shaped albums are like my favorite thing. And this is so beautiful, and I'm so grateful that I was able to get one. All right, guys, bye.